Hi everyone, I want to tell you about my week of Sidewalk Spaces. I did this outside of the Makersville Services studio in front of a restaurant we call AZN. Well, they call AZN. It's really crowded in the studio, and we intend to do a lot of activities on the sidewalk, and especially this summer. So hopefully we'll see you.
Hey everybody, it is Makersville Services. We're here on the sidewalk at AZN, and today we're going to be doing sewing and Rube Goldberg. And how do those two go together? Well, go figure. They have a common point of interest, which is me. So there we go. Come join us 3 to 5 this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we're here also on Thursday, but we'll be doing other stuff that day. And we'll also have Lego, because we always have Lego. So come join us. First bunny today, it's a Rube Goldberg bunny. I forgot, and I put this on the top instead of in the middle, but oh well. And then I did remember to do ears. This is a Harry Potter theme, because we have a Harry Potter entry that's going to be coming to the contest, so woohoo! Makersville Services in Makersville are here all week long on the sidewalk outside AZN. It's across from Ross and Studio 111. And we are doing today free sewing with the Bunny Factory. We're going to start making our Rube Goldberg bunnies for the upcoming competition. And we're here from 3 to 5 p.m. every day. Tomorrow we're going to switch to Lego and typing, because yesterday somebody asked about typing and said, oh, we have a typewriter. But if I'd already had it out, she would have been able to type. So here's my stuff. Come on by. We can sew together. Today I am typing poems for you on the sidewalk. It's free. Donations welcome, always. At AZN on the Long Beach Promenade. And it's farmers market on Friday, so you get a double whammy of entertainment. Free poem, and you get to shop. Ooh, somebody wanted me to write her an Earth Day poem. It says, Earth Day, save the earth today. Will you come to my Earth Day event? She asked. Yes. Okay, this one is called The Sideshow. The sideshow begins featuring yours truly, circus performer. Cool! My first $5 for making poetry. Okay, so here are some of the poems that I've written. I'm doing poetry on the sidewalk. The first one was called The Poem. Poetry I know not, the typewriter it is here, so therefore I try. It's a haiku. The second one, The Bunny. I am a bunny. I was born in the year of the rabbit. Oops, not a haiku. I make bunnies too, not bunnies. Okay, the next one. The bunny. Born the year of the rabbit. I am a bunny. I make bunnies too. Except it was 7, 5, 5. So I got that one wrong. Okay, the market. This is today's. I am a shopper. I would love a bargain now. Sadly, no money. Come get your typewritten poetry made specially for you. And it is free on the sidewalk here at AZN during the farmers market. I think I'll do it every week during the farmers market. So come find me, Squigglemom, at AZN on the North Promenade in downtown Long Beach. Okay, the next one, The Baby. My friend's new baby. I cannot wait to see her. I am so excited. Yay! Okay, this one is called Enough Already. Enough Already. That's the name of the haiku. What nonsense is this? Who gave her a typewriter? No one. She bought it.